Here's how to install a sliding shower enclosure in 60 seconds. Check your instructions and start to fix the frame together. Then fit the rubber strips at both ends. Check that there's no wires behind the walls before you start drilling them. Fix the rails to each side and then start to put the frame in place. Check that it's level and then drill and commit for the next rail. These are attached to the wall. Once they're in place, you can fit the side panels. These can be squeezed together by hand to get them level, then double check again with the spirit level. The opening side has a side panel that needs to be put into position and then screwed top and bottom. Then you can hang the door. This is on casters and will slide from left to right. Once you're happy that that's moving okay, you can then apply the handle. Seal around the outside with a clear silicone. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel Mr. and Mrs. DIY.